Right, so I started this on a previous video with some leftovers of silver resin that I just put dots all over this tray. Now, for those who missed that, the resin itself is a deep pour one. I was just using some bits up, and it's a deep pour one from Arc. The silver is it's the floating silver from Just For You Online. And now I'm going to just top this off with a pretty colour. So watch on if you would like to see how this ends up. Right then, we're going to mix some resin up. For those of you who didn't see that previous video, this is all these dots were all put on with a needlepoint bottle. Now that does mean I have destroyed the bottle in the process. There's no way on this planet I'm going to get that thing cleaned up. So I'm just now going to mix up my resin. And if I remember rightly, these trays take about 80 millilitres, I think. So I'm just pouring that in now into my little pot here. I'd already got the other parts, 2 parts, A and B, and it's 1 to 1, so nice and easy. And that is the Apex high gloss resin. Now this powder here is, I'm going to put quite a lot as well. That's an awful lot. I just want it to be really strong. This powder is also from Just For You Online, and it is called Red Satin Pigment. I'm having a job to read these. Right, I'm just going to stir that in, get it all mixed up really thoroughly. So I'll be back with you in a moment. I'm just going to speed this up for you. Okay, I'm back, and I think this is mixing up beautifully. Look at that colour. It's almost like a, I don't know, it's like a coppery red as opposed to a flame red. It's absolutely beautiful. I've done a couple of little bowls with this before. Actually, while I'm stirring it, let me just show you this one. This was a little bowl using the those leaf inlays that I've been using a lot lately, and some metal, just little little glass chips. That's what those bits are. And it almost looks like burr walnut. Only it's a bit redder. Absolutely gorgeous. So I thought we'd mix some more of this up for this project. It wants to be a fairly deep colour, just so that those silver dots show up, doesn't it? Okay, let's just pour this in then, and hope I'm not going to dislodge any dots. So that's about 80 millilitres. I'm now wondering if actually that's enough. I thought that's about what they... it was a slightly smaller tray, wasn't it, that I did last time? That's why I'm thinking 80. So I'm going to mix a little bit more up. I'm just stirring that up. Just wanted to show you. There you go. That's the hardener, actually. But you get the 2-part set like that. That's it. Now, most normal pour depth resins are 1 to 1 like this, which makes life a lot easier. You'll find deeper pour resins tend to be 1 to 2, and they are more liquidy. And as a result, they do cure more slowly. This I usually find 24 hours, no problem at all. As it's been really warm here at times lately, it's actually been pretty much cured in 12 hours, which is a bit crazy. So anyway, been just mixing this for a few seconds so before you came back into shot. I showed you the resin, so I think we're probably nearly there. I do stir too fast. Do like I say, don't like I do. Do like I do. Does that make sense? Probably not. Anyway, stir slowly, folks. I stir too fast. Right, just going to pour this in then. There we go. So all in all, this trinket tray has taken about 100 millilitres. So it obviously is bigger than the one I was using before. Yeah. I think this is the fairly standard trinket tray that a lot of us have got. The one I've been using lately is a smaller one. Like a shorter, fatter one. There we are. And just, oh, isn't it a shame it won't stay like that? Maybe it will if I come back when it's thicker and stir it. Just watching the little bubbles that I put in there coming out, which is nice. Try and get the last little bit out of my pot here. Now what I am going to do is just go around the edges a little bit. Now the thing is, I did put some of the dots around there, so I'm not going round in a swirl like I normally do. I'm dabbing up, just dabbing up and down. If there are any bubbles, well, hey, I'll just have to live with it, because I did put some of those silver dots in there. I don't want to mess those up. So fingers crossed with that one. Right, there we go. Quick cleaning up time, and I shall spritz the surface with some isopropanol alcohol just to help those few little micro bubbles that I, as usual, managed to introduce to pop. Although this resin does degas very, very well anyway. Doesn't hurt to do a bit of a spray. No harm in doing it. So there we go. Quick spray, and I'll see you for the demould. See you in a bit. Okay, we're at 24 hours on, and here's time for a demould. I didn't come back and swirl the back because I thought that was looking rather beautiful anyway. There we are. Let's just see if these dots have worked. Yes, they have. Okay, I'm pleased with that. That is so cute. And the silver shimmers, it's nice. So I'm just going to do a little bit of a quick sand around here just to take this little lip off, and then pop some little sticky feet on. Let me get the feet. Here we are, just little, I think they call them bumpers or something. I need to get some more of these, so I'll find you the link in case you want them too. Actually, that's such a nice neat rim, and I'm going to keep this one, so I'm not going to worry too much about it. I might leave that rim on. If I was going to be selling it or giving it as a gift, I would take it off because it could be a little bit sharp, but as it's only for me, then no, I'll leave it. So yeah, that's little bumpers. They're just little stickers, but as you can see, they just give me little feet. I really like that. Okay then, so yeah, if you want to give me a thumbs up for this very short little video, that would be marvellous. Thank you so much. Big shout out to all my channel members and my subscribers. Thank you all, everyone, so much. Buttons for everything are down here. And don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. If you'd like to see more done like this, then let me know. Bye everyone. See you for the next one.